Have you seen one of these? I bet you have. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it. This is my linge. I don't know how you say it. Whatever it is. It's like a curling iron, flat iron combo. But what I love about it is that it's got these tiny little air vents in it, and it actually cools down your hair as it's curling it. So it actually makes it so your curls last longer. The company does have two different sizes. I've got the shorter one, and it's great for people with shoulder length or shorter hair. And then they also have a longer one or taller one. It's great for people that have longer hair. Okay, first let's talk about how to turn this little guy on. I've plugged it in. You can see the little lights are flashing. What we're going to do is we're going to hold this button in until it starts blinking on, and then we're going to turn the temperature up. Depending on your hair, if you've got really processed hair, highlighted, you might want to go with a lower temperature. It goes up to 430 degrees as long as you're using your heat protection, like I tell you, and mine's already got it on there. You should be good to go at 430. But like I said, if you have highly processed hair, especially fragile around your face, you've got really blonde highlights, I would go with a lower temperature. So I'm waiting for this to heat up, and when it does get to the temperature that it's wanting to be, you'll hear the fan kick on. Okay, you hear that? The fan has kicked on, and what that is cool air coming out of all these little holes. What that does is it helps you when you're curling your hair. It cools the curl pattern down at the same time that it's curling it, so your curls will last longer. Pretty kind of cool. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to turn the fan off so you can hear me. You just push that button, okay? How do you use this? So you can use this as a flat iron by just flat ironing your hair, okay? You can use it as a curling iron by sticking it in and curling your hair. I would never curl my hair like that. But I'm going to show you how I use it, okay? I use it to, I don't know, give my hair a little bit of wave. Right now I just feel like it's really coming down in my face. So what I do is I just take, I've already blow dried my hair, put my heat protection on, all that good stuff. So I would just take pieces. Now you could totally start from underneath and work in sections, but on a day-to-day basis, what I would do is I would just pick random pieces up and put this close to it, swing it around, let the tail come out the other side, and then pull it through. Okay, the slower you pull, the curlier your hair will be. Okay, pick up another piece. And if you need to, you can go in with your brush or your comb and comb that out if it's kind of tangly. Again, the tail's coming out the other end, and then I just slide it down. See how easy that is? Okay, I've got two on top, 1, 2, and I come underneath and I grab this little section here. Pull, okay, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to grab this underneath. So I really just do 4 curls. Oops, let me do that one again. Go a little bit slower. There we go. Okay, got 4 curls over there. Now I'm going to come over here and kind of do the same. See how I'm leaving this fringe out for right now? I'll show you why in just a minute. Start at the beginning, curl it away from your face, tail's hanging out, pulling it through. tail's hanging out, curl it away, pulling it through. Okay, and then I got those two on top, then I'm coming under here, getting all this hair that lives right above my ear, pulling it towards my face, but back. Okay, got those, and I'm coming in here. See how this is a thicker section? That's why it takes a little bit more. Slow it down. There we go. Okay. Then you might want to come back here and grab some that's in the back. I don't, on a daily basis, I don't do all my head. Now, if I was going special occasion, I might section my hair off and do it. If you find that it's not curling too well, I'll take my comb it out. Because the smoother your hair, the prettier the curl pattern. Okay, here we go. Just go slow. Here we go. And I'll grab them. Okay, now here's what I do with my bang area. I'm going to use it more for the flat iron effect, okay? Bangs, and you don't have to do your bangs. What I do is I take a little clip and I get some of these bangs out of the way, and I just section it off, and I'm just going to flat iron that because I have a lot of calyx. And my bangs like to curl up. Okay, and I'm sectioning it the direction I want my bangs to lay. Okay. Up, give it a little bit of volume. If you just flat ironed it and brought it straight down, it would be very, very flat. And then see this little section here? You might want to combine it. It's okay. And just give it a little bit of a twist. I'm not even twisting it the whole way. And then, sorry if you hear my dog stepping around, right back here at the crown area of my hair, I am just going to bring it just like a flat iron and just barely curling it back. Hold it up a little bit. I want to get that volume in there. Do you see it? I'm sorry. Okay. Now, I just fluff it out. Okay, and then I got like just gentle waves in my hair. Isn't that kind of cool? Now to finish this out, what I might do is use my little gadgety tool here, right? And just back comb just a little bit, just to get that, give me some volume. Take in here, back comb once, underneath, back comb. Same with over here. Just come on, don't want to go crazy. Don't need a boatload of back combing. Just need to get some oomph under there. We've got thin hair, right? Okay, there we have it. What do you think? I really like this tool. I like it a lot. It's the only tool I use when I use a tool. Usually I just use a blow dryer, but when I use a tool, this is the one I go towards. I really like it. So hopefully you learn something. You don't have to do too much to your hair to get just a little bit of wave. Now, if I really wanted it really a lot curlier, of course I would section it in smaller sections. The smaller the section, the curlier it'll be. But remember this, you just take it at the root curl it once so the tail's hanging out and pull it out. And that'll give you just that randomized curl pattern that's really in right now. Thanks for being part of this community. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks with yours. Again, remember, when you know better, you do better.